Hey, I've got some news for you about this somewhat questionable Forex platform. And it's got a whole bunch of traders talking, so we're going to do an in-depth review and give you a step-by-step reason on why you need to be careful. And before we get into it, give us a good like, a thumbs up, a comment, so other people don't get trapped by them. So picture this: a flashy website with trading instruments, everything you could dream of, Forex, crypto, stocks, a buffet of cash-making possibilities. But something's smells fishy, something's off. And so we did our research, we went right into it to tell you what is OspreyFX actually offering. And what we found was they're a whole lot of hogwash. That's right, they're not even regulated. OspreyFX is not regulated by the CFTC, the FCA, or the ASIC. No, none of the above. And they even conveniently left out the physical address on their website. It's like a treasure hunt, but you're actually going to be searching for new money. Now let's talk about leverage, the double-edged sword in the trading world. And OspreyFX, well, they're offering something to the extreme. They're offering 1 to 500 leverages, like a turbo boost for your profits. You're thinking, hey, that's some good high risk, high return, but in reality, it's high risk, big losses. Regulated brokers, they play by the rule books. For instance, in the US, the CFTC allows a maximum of 1 to 50. They're offering 10 of that. In Europe, under the European Securities and Market Authorities, the limit is even lower, 1 to 30. They'll be like superheroes fighting for justice. But unregulated brokers like OspreyFX, they're more like the Joker. They're causing chaos without any accountability. I mean, if you take a look on Trustpilot right now, the complaints of OspreyFX, they're sparking. And that is why Wikifx, we're going to give them a low 1.48 out of 10. Sound the alarms, traders. Low-key brokers like OspreyFX might be looking appealing at first, but they're going to break your trust and leave you stranded. A pro tip: Wikifx, it's like your financial detective. It's like running a background check on your potential financial buddies. So spread the word, share this video with your friends, be smart, stay sharp, and most importantly, stay safe out there, traders.